DJM TV.
Nigerians don't reject COVID-19 vaccine on top side effect wey other people dey face. My better licious somebody, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for all your breaking news and your happening stories dem, even entertainment gist all around Nigeria and the world. We'll not bring on another matter again, but before we dive into the story, I beg, this is the first time when you see any of our video, we welcome you well to DJM TV News. But I beg, do well to subscribe. Touch the subscribe button there. Make use your hand to touch the notification bell so that anytime we drop new story, you will be one of the first persons to know say something they happen on top DJM TV Daily News Update. Also, may you not forget, so if you still place your advert with us, we get very wide coverage both for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They rest assured say your advert will reach the desired market. Now to the matter we bring us come this news today. So it concerns the AstraZeneca vaccine wey arrive Nigeria on the 2nd of March 2021. May not forget say the Gavi and Covas they put head together come give Nigeria 3.92 million doses of AstraZeneca vaccine. The vaccine arrived Nigeria on the 2nd of March through the Emirates Airlines, and the receiver for Abuja, the chairman of the PTF, and then the president and vice president and some of the health workers for Abuja, they don't since receive this vaccine. Meanwhile, some other states, they don't begin receive their own share of the vaccine, and they don't start their vaccination program. The federal government say health workers for each state now go first receive the vaccines, followed by the governors, the deputy governors, and the legislators them, and those who like say they're in authority, so as to encourage people to take common side to receive the vaccine. But wahala dey, kasala don burst, as some countries they don't begin to experience one very rare side effect of the AstraZeneca vaccine, where they cause blood to clot. In case you don't understand, what it mean say those people who receive the vaccine, blood inside their body called they gather like ice block inside their body. Their blood called they more use the word called they freeze inside their body. So you go understand what it means by clot. The blood called they gather inside their body. Although the Nigerian government don't come as I call to say the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine where them collect not be the same batch where they disturb most of the European countries them where they get side effects. Some European countries, and recently say one country for Asia where they call Thailand, they don't match break on top of this vaccine the way they collect. After reports when they come about this blood clot where they happen so as one of the side effects. The National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, where they in charge of the vaccination program for Nigeria, don't talk say although investigation don't begin to see whether the same batch where arrived Nigeria now they cause this side effects for all those other European countries and Asian countries there. Say but they're confident in the clinical testing where they carry out for NAFDAC. For Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, Ashatona, and the vice and some state governor and front line workers, them don't already receive the vaccine, and so far nothing don't happen to them. The NPHCDA don't say they will continue to use the AstraZeneca vaccine as it still be one of the important methods to protect against the COVID-19 wahala. Well, the Nigerian government don't talk on the 12th of March when be hours after the European Union don't declare say them not get connection, say them no connection there between the small cases of the blood clotting and the vaccine. Nigerian government don't say they will continue to see the use this vaccine. The European Medicines Agency don't say now 30 cases of this side effect 9 days among the 5 million Europeans who don't receive the vaccination. For countries like Ghana and Ivory Coast, where they also collect the AstraZeneca vaccine around the same time when Nigeria collect their own, they never report any reaction as per the vaccine where they give their people. As of now, no report of any African country don't they will like say don't stop to they use the AstraZeneca vaccine. Although some European countries they don't match break on top the use of this vaccine sake of this blood clot where they cause, because they're not going to know that the vaccine they cause them. I've been another thing now they cause them. The batch of vaccine where the 17 European countries collect, and the one where be like say they take trace the few cases of a blood clot, now be the batch number ABV 5300. Some countries don't ban the vaccine set pata for their country. as all others don begin dey target the badge wey get issue. Then they begin to say, okay, some people say, okay, make dem begin dey check, dey find the one like say get problem wey dey for this ABV 5300 batch. Why some don say lie make una not try give anybody this vaccine again. Some of the countries wey don ban the use of the AstraZeneca vaccine patapata include Denmark, Iceland, Norway, and some other countries dem don also talk say dem dey suspend the use of am for now, as in only the batch, only that batch dem go suspend. Dem fit dey use of every other batch. Countries like Italy, Austria, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Luxembourg. Thailand, for example, they say never even begin to dey use the vaccine at all. Now this one don spark up reaction amongst Nigerians, as they talk say if na this same batch enter inside Nigeria, that means a problem dey o, because they no trust this vaccine wey they carry come. One Nigeria wey they call one former senator for Nigeria, Senator Dino Melaye, don also come out and talk say na low grade vaccine na they carry come give Nigeria. Say the one wey they use for the US and the UK dem, wey they does not be the same vaccine na they carry come Nigeria. So why it be like say when they wan give Africa free thing, they go give us the low grade own, like say we know important. It could be like say maybe they target Africans, say okay, more you take test whether this vaccine they really dey work. Nigerians don't begin to say lie. As long as wahala like this don't begin to come outside themselves, they go mash break on top the collection of this vaccine. Many Nigerians also come outside and say no go take this vaccine. No. Although the government of the country doctors say the vaccine wey they bring come, the AstraZeneca vaccine, e don dey for the batch ABV 5300, and as such the batch wey dey for Nigeria, e dey very safe for human consumption. Now for me, I go say make NAFDAC recall the vaccines them. Make they carry am go their lab, make they go properly check am, make they go test am well to make sure say this blood clot of an issue, it not be part of the side effect of this vaccine. Because blood clot are one very serious ogbonge matter. It be like say if e enter inside person body, e dey block the flow of blood to the heart and to the important organs for inside the body. And may you know say blood not be some kind of important organs for the body. It dey cause many problems like brain damage and some other things that we will not go fit just mention right now. Well, how you say see this matter? May government ban the use of this AstraZeneca vaccine patapata until they bring another one, or may they just first suspend and go test them, or may they continue to use and say I forget that in no level, nothing they kill Africa man, no level, may we continue to use it like that. How you say see this matter? Shookman put, we go dey read your comment for the comment section. This na still DJM TV daily news update. I beg, if you never subscribe, do well to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that as we drop any story, you go be one of the first persons to know say better don land for inside DJM TV news. Don't forget, so if you still place your advert with us for all our social media channel, do well to contact us. Message us, we go reply you back. Our number go show for screen. You message us, then we go reply you to make sure say your market it reach the people the way you want make it reach. Well, until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV daily news update, I still be your girl Lawuru Favor, and I dey tell una say health indeed na wealth. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.